Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to control the saturation and the colors of your LCD. To do this operation, of course, in Motorola H30 Neo, go to the settings here and scroll down to the display. There is the option colors. It's been saturated. You can hit the natural. As you see, the image is changing. And you can choose the color temperature. If you want the coldest one, hit it. If you want the warmer one, hit it. Yep, you can customize to your own eyes. And there is photo to check it out how is your customization about the color is look like. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.